Hello everyone, welcome to another screencast for Research Skills 1. In this screencast I will explain how you make a stacked bar chart, and I will explain why you would make a stacked bar chart. Let's say you have had several items in your questionnaire, so several questionnaire questions that have the same answer categories. And the questions are almost similar too. So let's imagine I have a data set because I asked a bunch of people, 20 people, about the coffee they drink. I asked them about different types of coffee. So I asked them about lungos, espressos, etc., etc. And I asked them to rate each coffee on a scale from 1 to 5. 1 being they dislike it very much, 5 being they like it very much. So the answers run from 1 to 5. I want to be able to quickly compare the results of all these different variables with each other. So I don't want to make 5 separate frequency tables and compare them, or 5 separate crosstabs to see what the effect of gender is on each of them. I want to quickly compare these results. And I can do that when I create a stacked bar chart. But you can only create a stacked bar chart when the questions are fairly similar and the answer possibilities are the same. So yes, I have met those two criteria in this example. So what you need to do first is to create a custom table. SPSS does not recognize that you want to do it. You have to create a stack bar chart, so you have to tell SPSS exactly what to do. I will show you how to do it. First you go to Analyze and then Custom Tables, and then go to Custom Tables. You press OK because of some reason. I will just reset everything here. What I want is, I want all these variables and I want to have them in the rows. This will look like this. So I'm making a table by myself here. I'm just dragging stuff in. I want to have some statistics. I don't want a count, as you know. I want the percentage. So I'll put that in. So now you see that the percentages are here. I will now press this magic button, which creates a nice cross-table looking layout for this table. So here we have the different types of coffee, and here we have how people judged it. What percentage of the people disliked it very much, disliked it, which percentage was neutral, how many people liked it, and how many people liked it very much. Then press OK, and you go to the output. And here you can see the table that I'm interested in. We're going to copy this table and put it into SPSS, like so. I'm going to quickly delete this row until I'm left with the data that I have. I'm going to select the coffees and the percentages, and then go to Insert and select the third one, a 100% stacked column. Well, I can find something that I like in designs or whatever. I'm just going to go with the basic one. In this stack bar chart, you can see that the colors define the different coffees, and these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are the answer options. I really don't like that. I want to switch it around. Well, fortunately for me, there's a button that does exactly this. It's switched around. Here I see the different coffees, and now I can compare the different answer options with each other. I'll need to edit those, of course. You can do it like this. Right mouse button, click on it. You say I want to select or edit the data. You select series 1. You edit it and you say it's dislike it very much. Or let's go like this. You can do the same for this one. And since we're almost finished, I'll do it for all of the options. That's okay. Well, obviously, you need to give this a proper name. Comparing participants rating with a per copy type. It's a sort of accurate description of what is going on in this graph. If you want to really have a good look at it, make it a separate chart, so you can really inspect what's going on. So what are we seeing? Well, in blue you see how many people dislike it, and orange is also disliking it. Dark blue is liking it very much, and orange is liking it, gray is neutral. So you can quickly compare the coffees. Just looking at the positive judgments by people and looking at the large bit of positive judgment, you can see that Longo is loved by most people. Because these two together are the biggest here. Cappuccino is loved. Well, it's almost comparable to Ristretto, but those are not very popular. This one is the most popular. These two are the least popular. So you can quickly compare coffees. You can also, within a coffee, see how the opinions are distributed. So apparently Ristretto is disliked very much more than only a little compared to the other coffees. So a graph like this, a stacked bar chart, gives you a wealth of information. You could write whole books. Well, you could write whole reports about this graph, about the information that is in this graph, and still not convey the meaning and the information that this graph conveys. That being said, a stacked bar chart is a very good way to quickly convey a lot of information, especially if you have a question or a set of questions that have the same answer possibilities, like these, and are about a similar topic. Good luck creating your own stacked bar charts.